Hi, it's Jan from Venomobile World. It's beginning of November, and I realized that there is a lot of improvements we made over the last weeks for the Alpha series. For the bulk, we have a list. This video we will make about all the improvements we made on the bulk last weeks, and I have to go up to my computer to read the whole list. Yes, we make a very good deal for people from the USA. We have made a video with all the information, so it's on Ben Parker, his channel. Just click in the description, there's a link. Go there and you will see a very good deal for the people from America. And I go up to my computer to read quickly all the improvements. So here I'm at the computer, and here I have a list of 14 points, and I probably gonna print them or I put them on my other phone, and I can walk through the workshop and find all the improvements to show you. So the first point is I have here. So first of all, we have here the hood with the bigger protuberance, with the window goes more up. Anyway, this window is like already like a 2 centimeter higher, so you have a higher visibility. And as you can see, we followed the shape from the protuberance and we put it in there. The second thing is we made it with Velcro. So this is with Velcro, that's one option. In the configurator you can find it, and here we have one with double-sided windows. So it will be less problematic, or should be not, getting damp inside. Also, what is possible now, there's an option that we put a double layer in here in order it doesn't get foggy here. There is a wiper available, and I have to check what else. Yes, here we have another one. We have a dashboard available, so that's another one. That one we made this, maybe come a bit closer. We bought this little rubbers. Some people had moisture getting in the switches and it wouldn't work anymore. So now we have here rubber covers which seals the switches. Then we have another improvement. This is designed by Sven Krol from Venomobile Noord. So this is a 3D printed part, and here we have like blinker to the left, right, horn. That's an improvement. What else? I'm not sure if I ever showed this part. So we made this cover here in order you cannot put stuff in here and it will not be eaten. Then I don't know if you can see it properly. Here we have now a cover where in order that you can put stuff here without be eaten by the chain. So another improvement is, this is the standard luggage space. It's a bit dusty. And here is the smaller luggage space. This one is designed for the Bafang engine and the mountain drive. So if you order a Bafang or a mountain drive, you better order the smaller luggage space. Also, some people say it's quite tight between the feet and the luggage space. If that's the case, you can order also this one. You sacrifice a bit of luggage space, but you have more space between your feet and the luggage space. So, one thing, I need to search where is the bike. We have tank steering wheels. And I have here an example how it looks like. I will show you that one, and then I go to the bike to show you the bike. And tank steering is available from, I think when we upload this video, from next week. So from next week you can order tank steering, and it will be soon available at multiple dealers. So here we have the tank steering available, or the tank steering. So as you can see, it has also different front suspension with an elastomer suspension on it. And everything, this is for the tank steering. Tank steering, steering. Of course, you can also order these separate, so you have an elastomer setting. I have to make it still in the configurator available. And now I can search where is the bike where we make tank steering in. So it's already evening before I found time to before I found some time to make a video, and now I have to search. Yes, I found it. The first one is a green, white one. So I need to take this down, and my painter will be very unhappy tomorrow because when they polish this bike, I have to cover this hole again, but I will tell you, it was for you guys, so I hope they will be not too pissed off. So it's a bit dirty now inside, we have to clean it still. You can see that it's dust. So I have not so great light. So as you can see, here comes still, of course, a foam cover over it. And here are some really nice 3D printed parts. It's already tested. So yeah, I forgot something. I really have to take this down. So also we had to change the wheel well. And when I thought I have to change it anyway, I saw that I had still a little bit of space. So here I went like 3-4 millimeter more in that direction, and here as well. So we have about, I think it's about 6 to 8 millimeters here more space, and there also 4 millimeter I had still space to go a little bit in that direction. So I made the bulk in general a bit wider here. I think that's enough improvements to tell you. I have more, but they're not completely finished, so I don't tell them yet. And then I can make directly a new video easily in the coming weeks. I think that's it for this time.
One day later.
Good morning. So I just remember what I have to show you. That's up. So yes, here the heel strike. We made the heel bump. We made now an option available that this can be 1.5 centimeter lower. It's in the configurator, We have a couple of persons who need this. And we made also a solution for those who have already in bulk and touch the heel faster as the top. We made 2 types of BB holders, one with 5mm higher axle and one with 10mm axle. There is a downside if you're really a strong rider and you put a 10 centimeter higher BB holder, you generate a bit more force on the frame. And I don't know yet if the frame will hold it. I'm convinced it will hold, but it's with risk, that one. So that's really the last things I can tell about improvements for this week. See you next time. Bye bye.